What's up guys, how are you? And I am going to show you my new craft today. Sorry, I can't send videos on YouTube because I was busy for some days, and today this is my new gun made by me. I am going to tell you about this all. This is the Glock 18 made with cardboard and foam. This is the pirate pistol, and I had added a bracelet made with brass, and this is the paper, and I have painted with silver paint. You can paint, but you can stick papers to it which are in color of brown. Made some royal designs here, and I am going to tell you that no glue gun is used in these crafts. This is my favorite. This is also my favorite. I have used 3 screws for looking it real, as the real pirate pistol also having screws fitted in it. This is a simple gun, Glock 18, Glock 19, made by me. So all of you, please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment what do you think about this, and please don't unsubscribe my channel. So please subscribe my channel, and thank you very much for watching this video. And I am going to send another video of Minecraft and things in real life. So thank you for watching this video.